In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code in KoboToolbox. Now to do this, first open the project. So I'm going to open this one over here, and there's no direct button to do this. However, I have a nice little workaround for you right here. So the easiest way to do this, go to form, and of course you must have deployed your form to be able to get the link. And down here you can see you can get your link. So what I would do here is I would just click on open, and it's going to open up your, of course, your survey or your form inside a separate tab, and this is now the link to your survey or form. Okay, so that's very important because you have to simply right click anywhere on the page and click on create QR code for this page. Now if you have Chrome, this is possible. If you have any other browser, it may have this feature, but if it doesn't, I'll show you another way in a second. So if you have Chrome, you can just go and open it up, right click, and then do create QR code for this page. Make sure this QR code is actually, or this link is actually the link that takes you to your form, and then you can just click on copy or download, and it's going to download that QR code, which is going to take you to your survey, okay? Or of course the form. So that's the first way to do it. But then if you can't do this for some reason, you could also go to Google, type in generate QR code, and there's a bunch of different QR code generators. You can click on any of these, and then in here they'll allow you to create your QR code. So you can just copy the link, paste it in here, and you'll get your personalized QR code, which you can then design and then download whenever you want, okay? So that's how to create a QR code. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.